In his career, Professor Ong has worn many hats: educator, researcher, as well as a leader. He served at Universiti Malaysia Sarawak or UNIMAS, mentoring future medical professionals before returning to Universiti Malaya in 2010.
And then be the green dot for other people. Help people. Be the green dot. Don't be so nasty to people. And finally, you can turn the red dot to green dot. People angry or anything, people not nice to you. Always there's a way that we can utilize that and for us to grow. With that, I thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Okay, on behalf of everyone here, I would like to thank Professor Ong for sharing his knowledge and vision with us today. Let us continue to support and celebrate his contributions as we strive towards greater heights in healthcare and academia.